February 10th, attends to the court and in front of the magistrate says the same thing. So you have 161 in favor of Vamsi's and an official statement in front of the magistrate also in favor of Vamsi. And that man Satyavardhan says that I've come here in an auto with my mom. He also mentioned that in front of the magistrate. And he also mentions that I have not been threatened by anybody, nor is there any pressure on me. All this happened in front of the magistrate. Then after that, Chandrababu Naidu could not take it because Vamsi was getting away, which was not in the interest of Chandrababu Naidu. So what did Chandrababu Naidu do? On February 11th, Chandrababu Naidu books a case on Satyavardhan and on Vamsi, saying that Satyavardhan, this is the FIR copy booked on Satyavardhan himself by TDP government, accusing Satyavardhan that Satyavardhan gave a false statement colliding with Vamsi. Then he takes this statement on February 11th night. He threatens Satyavardhan's mom, dad and his brother. On February 12th, he takes a statement. He takes a statement from Satyavardhan's brother that Vamsi kidnapped him. Took 20,000 rupees from Satyavardhan. Not only kidnapped but also took 20,000 rupees from him. And that there was some vague person who saw all this on the road. Takes that statement. Satyavardhan was not even asked by police to even then. February 13th morning, Vamsi is arrested. Satyavardhan's statement is taken on February 13th evening, after Vamsi is arrested. Now you tell me, do you have a situation where law and order is prevalent? No, you're booking false cases. You're cooking up false testimonies. You're cooking a false witness. Arresting at your will. I mean, is this acceptable in democracy? You know, you are literally killing democracy with the aid of police. Pidigurala municipality, the corporators, out of 33 out of 33 YCP won in the local body elections. TDP has no seat. Pidigurala by-elections for municipal vice chairman takes place. TDP threatens these corporators with the help of the police and declares themselves as victor without even having a single corporator. The vice presidency is TDP's. Pidigurala Municipal Corporation right in front of you. Tirupati Corporation, the deputy mayor election. Out of 49 seats, YCP wins 48 out of 49. TDP gets just one seat. Corporators were literally kidnapped by the police themselves, along with the TDP cadres. And they declare the TDP vice presidency, vice chairman's, deputy mayor's post as theirs. Thuni, out of 30 corporators, 30 out of 30 YCP won the seats. There's a by-election due for the post of deputy vice chairman. Under the court guidance, election is being postponed, citing law and order situation. TDP does not even have one corporator seat there. Where does law and order come up? Law and order situation come up. They don't want to conduct the election because they have not yet kidnapped the corporators. Palakonda Municipal Corporation Deputy Chairperson's election or Chairperson's election. Same thing. Out of 20 seats, 17 YCP, 3 TDP. They don't want to conduct the election. Till such time they have everything in their favor. Now what exactly is happening? Left, right, center, you have Dalit MP Suresh booked on false cases. Contested MLA Vamsi booked on false cases. Nani minister booked on false cases. Literally, corporation elections where local body elections where YCP swept. They are declaring it for themselves. There's a red book. There's a red book constitution in this country, in this state. Ambedkar's constitution is not prevalent. Red book's constitution is prevalent in this state. Right in broad daylight, in front of media, in front of everybody, all these things are happening. The manifesto document what Chandrababu Naidu cites during the elections, wherein he has promised Super 6 and Super 7, not one single promise has been fulfilled. Every promise has become a lie. People are literally criticizing him because he's lied through his teeth to come to power. And after coming into power, not a single promise what he had made in the manifesto today stands fulfilled. So literally people are criticizing him. And when this is the plight of the people, to choke any voice that comes out, literally the governance is red book in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I think this is high time this has got to end. I request the media to please play a role. You are the fourth pillar. Please play a role. Bring justice to light.
Sir, are you implying that DGP is dancing on the tune of DDP?
Absolutely. Is it not so? Is it not so? Is it not visible?
Down.